New year, new project, and this is the fun one. It's a small bathroom in a brand new build home, and unfortunately, the builder already drywalled the walls, which presents quite a challenge for us if you want to have a nice straight and plumb corners. But we'll fix it up. So we have the window in the shower, and we already dropped the subfloor for the curbless linear drain shower, so you can see the edge of the shower tray. So we go curbless, no heated floor, but we have these super fun tiles. So there's quite a variety. This will be all over the whole floor, and I installed will be a fun design. Obviously we'll put some area vent on this outlet. Again, no floor heat, small bathroom, but quite a few challenges, especially on the drywalled walls. I wish they didn't border walls at all, but it is what it is. So we'll get it all fixed up, and this will be black and white. So all the fixtures are black. The glass frame will be black. The edging on the niche, which will be centered on the shower set, will have a black edging. This will have a black edging, and most likely it will all be white subway tiles. So this is a fun one. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.